SAP MM online training. Proexcellency provides SAP MM online training with top consultant who have 5+ years real-time projects experience. SAP MM is an acronym for SAP Material Management. SAP MM is a module within SAP software that is used to manage purchasing, inventory and logistics for a company. SAP MM online training. Introduction. In today's competitive business world, companies need smart systems to manage their operations smoothly and efficiently. Manual processes are no longer enough to handle large volumes of data, materials, and transactions. That is why most organizations across the world depend on SAP, a powerful ERP software that helps integrate and control all business activities from one platform. Among the various SAP modules, SAP MM Material Management plays a very important role. SAP MM is mainly used to manage procurement, inventory, and material-related processes in an organization. From purchasing raw materials to maintaining stock levels and paying vendors, everything is handled systematically through SAP MM. SAP MM online training is designed to help students, freshers, and working professionals understand these business processes in a practical and structured way. This training explains how materials are requested, how vendors are selected, how purchase orders are created, how goods are received, and how invoices are verified in real-time business scenarios. One of the biggest advantages of SAP MM online training is flexibility. You can learn from anywhere, attend live classes, revise recorded sessions, and practice on real SAP systems without affecting your current job or studies. This makes online training ideal for professionals who want to upgrade their skills and for freshers who want to start a strong career in SAP. SAP MM is widely used in industries such as manufacturing, retail, pharmaceuticals, logistics, and IT services. Because of this wide usage, skilled SAP MM professionals are always in high demand. By learning SAP MM, you not only gain technical knowledge but also a clear understanding of how businesses manage materials and control costs efficiently. In this video, we will explore everything about SAP MM online training, including what SAP MM is, why it is important, its features, benefits, uses, and career opportunities. If you are planning to build a stable and high-growth career in SAP, this video will give you the right direction. Why SAP MM online training is important. SAP MM online training is important because material management is a critical part of every business. Companies depend on materials for production, sales, and service delivery. If materials are not managed properly, it can lead to delays, increased costs, and loss of business. SAP MM helps organizations control procurement and inventory in a systematic and efficient way. SAP MM online training helps learners understand how real companies manage their material processes. It teaches how purchase requisitions, purchase orders, goods receipt, inventory control, and invoice verification are handled in real-time SAP systems. This practical knowledge is very important for working in SAP-based organizations. Another reason SAP MM online training is important is career growth. SAP MM is one of the most widely used SAP modules, and trained professionals are always in demand across industries like manufacturing, retail, pharma, and logistics. Learning SAP MM improves job opportunities, salary potential, and long-term career stability. What are the benefits of SAP MM online training? SAP MM online training offers many benefits for students, freshers, and working professionals who want to build a strong career in SAP. One of the main benefits is practical knowledge. Learners get hands-on experience on real SAP systems, which helps them understand how material management processes work in actual companies. Another important benefit is career growth. SAP MM is one of the most in-demand SAP modules, and trained professionals are required in almost every industry. After completing SAP MM online training, learners can apply for roles such as SAP MM consultant, purchase executive, inventory analyst, or SAP support consultant. SAP MM online training also provides flexibility. You can learn from anywhere, attend live online classes, and revise concepts using recorded sessions. This is very helpful for working professionals and students who want to upskill without leaving their current job or studies. One more major benefit is global job opportunities. SAP is used worldwide, and SAP MM skills are recognized internationally. This increases job security, salary potential, and long-term career stability. Uses of SAP MM. SAP MM is mainly used to manage material and procurement activities in an organization. One of the most important uses of SAP MM is procurement management. It helps companies create purchase requisitions, select vendors, generate purchase orders, and track the purchasing process from start to end in a systematic way. Another key use of SAP MM is inventory management. SAP MM allows organizations to monitor stock levels, track material movements, and manage storage locations. This helps avoid problems like overstocking, material shortages, and incorrect inventory records. SAP MM is also used for goods receipt and goods issue processes. When materials are received from vendors or issued to production or sales, SAP MM records these movements accurately. This ensures real-time updates of stock and material value. One more important use of SAP MM is vendor management. It stores complete vendor details such as contact information, pricing, and payment terms. This helps businesses maintain strong and transparent relationships with suppliers. Features of SAP MM. SAP MM provides powerful features that help organizations manage materials and procurement efficiently. One of the key features is purchasing management, which handles purchase requisitions, vendor selection, and purchase orders in a structured manner. This ensures smooth and cost-effective procurement. Another important feature is inventory management. SAP MM tracks stock levels, material movements, and storage locations in real time. This helps companies avoid overstocking, reduce shortages, and maintain accurate inventory records. SAP MM also includes Material Master Data Management, which stores complete details about materials such as type, unit of measure, price, and valuation. In addition, Vendor Master Data Management maintains supplier information, payment terms, and pricing conditions for smooth vendor transactions. Invoice verification is another key feature that matches vendor invoices with purchase orders and goods receipt before payment. Finally, SAP MM is integrated with other SAP modules like SAP SD, SAP PP, and SAP FICO, ensuring seamless business processes. Career opportunities in SAP MM. SAP MM offers excellent career opportunities for both freshers and experienced professionals. Since SAP MM is widely used across industries like manufacturing, retail, pharmaceuticals, logistics, and IT services, trained professionals are always in high demand. After completing SAP MM training, candidates can start their careers in roles such as SAP MM Consultant, SAP Functional Analyst, Purchase Executive, Inventory Analyst, or SAP Support Consultant. These roles involve managing procurement processes, inventory control, vendor coordination, and system support. With experience, professionals can move into advanced roles like Senior SAP MM Consultant, SAP Project Lead, or Supply Chain Manager. SAP MM professionals can also work on global projects and international client implementations. Why choose Proexcellency for SAP MM online training? Proexcellency is a trusted training institute known for delivering high-quality and industry-focused SAP MM training. One of the main reasons to choose Proexcellency is its expert trainers who have real-time industry and implementation experience. They teach not just theory, but practical SAP MM processes used in real companies. Proexcellency offers hands-on training with live SAP systems, allowing learners to practice real-time scenarios such as procurement cycles, inventory management, and invoice verification. This practical exposure helps students gain confidence and become job-ready. Another key reason to choose Proexcellency is its structured and updated course curriculum, designed according to current industry requirements. The training covers both functional concepts and system-level understanding, making it suitable for freshers as well as working professionals. Subscribe for more SAP and career video. Like and share this video. Comment your doubts below. Contact us for training details.